Hello, letter M here. Want to read a story with me while Big M runs the market? Well, great. Let's get started. When the three little letters continued their journey, they found the letter M at a rainforest. And the rainforest was full of coconuts. Little M took the other letters to the coconut hut, where coconut milk was made. So the three little letters had a nice drink after a long journey. And then they got more energy to continue their journey, so they were off. Now that was an amazing story. Well, it's time for some coconut milk. Ah, refreshing.